Hi everybody, it's Wendy from Cinnamon Sweet Shop. Today I'm going to be making a brown sugar cookie, and I'm going to clean it up just a little bit like I do with most of my recipes. So to start, I'm going to be using some butter. Now normally I would use my vegan buttery sticks, but in this case I'm using real butter. However, it is Kerrygold brand butter, which is a good quality butter. I'm using a sweetener. Now you can use sugar, organic sugar. I'm using a stevia blend in this case. I have my sea salt, whole wheat pastry flour, 1 egg yolk, 1 full egg, baking soda, dark brown sugar. Now I make my own. I use organic sugar and I add my own molasses. I do show you how to do this on my website at cinnamonsweetshop.com. And I also am going to be using some vanilla extract. Now the reason I'm using the real butter is because what we're going to do is take 5 tablespoons of the butter, melt it on medium-high heat on a stove, and then we're going to cook it for about another 2 to 3 minutes until it gets a golden brown color. It should also have a bit of a nutty aroma. And you can see how it's like a golden, dark golden brown color. I'm going to remove this from the heat. I'm going to place the butter into a nice large bowl and add the remaining butter in here, and the heat should melt it. Just let this sit for about 15 minutes. In a separate bowl, give a quick whisk together of the 2 different sugars that you have in there. Now in the third bowl, yes, I know we're using a lot of bowls in this recipe, but we're going to be mixing together the flour, the salt, and the baking soda. To the cooled butter, it should be cooled slightly, it doesn't have to be room temperature, add in the sugar mixture and mix this real well until it's completely dissolved or completely combined. It's not really going to dissolve, but you're going to have like a wet, sticky type of pasty texture. This is what it should look like. A bit gloppy. Add in the eggs. And the vanilla extract. And mix this until it's very, very well combined. Finally, we're going to add in the flour and just mix it until it's completely incorporated. To portion these out, I have a cookie sheet with a silicone lining. You could use parchment paper if you don't have one. Now, you can make these as big as you want. I'm doing it about 2 tablespoons each of cookie dough, and going to put them on the sheet approximately 2 inches apart from each other. I'm going to bake these in a 350-degree oven about 12 to 14 minutes. Now you'll know when they're done because the edges will be set, they'll be golden brown, the centers will be puffy but still a little soft. And I also want to, we'll be turning this tray around halfway at the halfway mark. So roughly about 6 to 7 minutes after baking, just turn the tray around. So they'll get evenly baked. They're big, they're soft, they're delicious. Make sure you check out this recipe in the link below at cinnamonsweetshop.com. Subscribe to this YouTube channel for much more, and I'll see you in my next video.